Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome for the first time. Today I'm going to take you through a morning routine starting at 5 a.m. with 2 kids, 2 and under. My daughter's 2.5 and my son is almost a year and a half, and we're expecting our third in about 4 or 5 months. And so this day actually started at 4:30 for me. I woke up early and did a little bit of Bible reading and helped my husband put away the dishes and stuff like that. So now I am sitting down to finish up my Bible reading and have some coffee. And let's see, what else did I do? Now my daughter's awake a few minutes later, bed, head, and all. So we have been working on training our kids.
You go potty? Okay, let's go potty. Come on.
She is mostly potty trained. So we're working on training them in the red light, green light, where red is stay in bed and green means go and that you can get up.
Tommy's upset. Go potty.
And so we put together a little snack cup for her of dried fruit and sometimes nuts, and then give her water, and she just has that in bed.
Yellow raisins.
She wakes up with a very full pull-up and a hungry tummy.
What happens when your light's red? Red means stay in bed.
So yeah, I got her back to bed at around 5:20, 5:30, and at this point she was supposed to stay up there until about 6:15. Now I have her to 6:30 most days. She's been adjusting to it pretty well. And Walter is awake now, so I'm gonna change him and give him a bottle and put him back down.
Tyler?
Good morning, Walter.
Tyler? Can you get him a bottle, please?
So yeah, a very real morning for us. It is really hard to do anything for yourself or wake up early enough to have time for yourself when your kids wake up at 5 a.m. And when I have a new baby, that is going to be even harder when I'm up all night. So we are trying to find ways to give me more margin. My husband usually leaves at like 5:45 in the morning for work too. So most of the time he's able to kind of help me out with this a little bit.
Thank you, babe.
When I was looking online for some encouragement in regards to this, and excuse me, kids waking up super early. I really could not find anything. Most people's kids, it seems like, don't come out of their rooms until 7 or 8 in the morning, and I just don't understand how they get that to happen if they put them to bed at 9 o'clock. But that's also not really something I'm willing to do, because we go to bed at 9 o'clock in order to get up so early. So yeah, it's just a really hard season. I pretty much stopped watching any type of influencers videos because it's just so hard not to compare yourself and your kids. And I really hope that when you're watching this, it just gives you ideas of maybe things that you can try or encourages you, and that, you know, if you're in that hard season, you really try and give yourself grace, and not compare. Because, like, I was listening to a message the other day, a sermon at church that was just talking about how if you're comparing yourself to other people, that is a false measurement, because you should be comparing yourself to Jesus. And I thought that was really helpful advice, because a lot of times, you know, I would go and try and watch these videos from other moms because I don't have my mom to go to for advice. I have my mother-in-law, thankfully, but, you know, I don't have a sister. I don't have a mom. My aunts are not really, like, super involved. They're out of state. We just don't talk about that stuff. They don't have kids this age or anything. So it's like, it feels pretty isolated sometimes in motherhood, and I'm not trying to sound discouraging at all, but that's why I sometimes would turn to, like, these YouTube videos and trying to, you know, find advice or find things that work for other people so that I can try and implement them for people that have gone before me, and I just wasn't finding anything. And so that's why I wanted to, you know, put something out there so that hopefully it can be an encouragement and a help, and just seeing, like, an actual real life example. Like, I'm sure that there's got to be other moms out there that their kids wake up early and not, you know, at 7 or 8 a.m. because that just does not seem realistic to me at all. So anyways, you could see that I was eating my breakfast, doing some more Bible reading, getting my water, all that kind of stuff. And now this is right before Thanksgiving, so I'm brining the turkey. So I'm getting all that ready and going out to get some rosemary. I cannot believe how big our rosemary bush has gotten. It's awesome. One of the things that we also are trying right now, because as you might have noticed maybe from the video, or it might have been hard to tell, but our kids pretty much share a room.
Yay!
It's
Good job. You made it.
Here she is.
Did brother poop? Is it stinky in here? Is it stinky? Let's take care of brother. It's green. Good job, baby girl. Hi, baby boy. You got poo-poo pants? Do you have poo-poo pants? Look, it's green. Yay. That's like Walter crying. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning to Walter and Laura. Good morning to you.
So then, yeah, they were just kind of playing in the living room a little bit, looking at books, entertaining themselves a little bit.
Days of the week, days of the week. Good job, Walter. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. You want to do your stick? Good job. We're not going in there. Broom? No broom right now. We're gonna have breakfast. You hungry? Yeah, get in your high chair.
So you can see he's 15 months old. He's already wanting to sit in a real chair and not get in his high chair.
Good girl, you listened and got your water bottle. Good listening. It is warm now. Do not dump your snack cup all over the table. It's a lot. But if you don't eat some of it, I'm going to have some. Okay. No, leave that in there. Quit trying to dump it out. Let's roll up your sleeves. Good girl. There you go.
So one thing that we have done is we no longer have a diaper genie. So if it's pee, we just put it in the trash can in the house. If it's poop, we take it out. So I'm just getting some fresh air, taking that poop from earlier out there, and then I'm gonna grab our meat out of the freezer to start thawing for dinner. And coming back in, seeing the disaster.
You all done? You need to use your all done sign. Not throw your food on the floor. That's disrespectful.
So we sing a song whenever we're gonna let the dogs clean up the food off of the floor. Paw Patrol, we got a job for you.
Don't walk through your yogurt mess. Into Bailey's tummy. You like oranges? Alright, eat up, Aurora. Fill up your tummy. No, no. Walter. Catastrophe. Here. Spin around. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our hair, brush our hair, brush our hair. No. Stop. Rinse your hands.
that yogurt and peanut butter. Hey, Aurora! No. Dry, dry, dry. Stop. All right. Cheese. Up and big. What are you taking a bite of today? A big, giant watermelon. Up and.
No.
What is it then? Is it an elephant? You biting an elephant? Open big.
No.
Good job. Walter, no.
What's enough?
Okay. Garbage down. Okay. A little bit more on the top. Open bigger. Oh, we gotta get the bottom again. Scrubby scrubs. Jeez. Good job, beautiful girl.
And I want crocodile.
Are you gonna go on a cocoa date? I don't know. What do you think? And jeans and undies. Oh, brother's got you a dark blue sock. Hey, mister. Oh, good. You got matching ones. Here, I'll take off your dress for you. And you take off your pull-up.
Look at the pretty sunrise. Walter, 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 come here. Hey, boy, you're sitting in.
Who wants to do jingle bells? So pretty much every day before 9 a.m., the kids and I go out and feed the chickens and play fetch with the dogs. This is a really good way to force us outside, even during the cold, wet winter months.
Well, that's right. You didn't bring. Why do you even have a stroller? You don't have a baby doll.
For water.
Oh, I don't think he's gonna want to go in there, but you can try. Walter, hey, get back here. We gotta feed the chickies, buddy. No, we don't have to feed the horses today. Dad already fed the horses. Come here, baby. We're gonna feed the chickies. Walter, come here. Here, you want your basket? Come here.
Usually she pushes her baby doll around, not her
Here you
brother.
No, let Walter hold the basket. You can't leave the stroller right there. Bailey. Good girl. Drop it. Drop it. There you go. morning, chickens.
And yeah, our fence is not electric, as you noticed.
Your feed bucket. I put
Our
in the
horses
bin
are
so
really
that
easy to keep
Ratchet
inside
can get it.
the fence
Or
line,
Bailey.
thankfully.
That's good. Alright, watch your fingers. Hey, don't touch that. That's yucky. Set that down. Good girl. Okay. You gonna help me get the eggs today? No? Okay, Aurora, stop. Okay, fine. Why? You just said you didn't want to. Okay. Trade. Okay. Are there any eggs? One. Oh, it's actually a good looking one. Oh, finally. Yeah, I think the oyster shells are helping them. The shell looks stronger. Thank you, chickens, for the one egg from the 3 of you. Not sure why there aren't. Well, I guess it is winter, huh? All right, let's throw the dogs some more balls. Here we go. Hey, be nice. Watch out, she's gonna run. No, 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 no. Hey, Stella. Okie dokie. Good job, little helpers. Time to close it up. Good job. Push it down. It's hard. It's hard for me. Come on. Good girls. Yeah, overnight, or like once I let them out for the day and left the door open, I put their food bucket into the feed bin. That way Bailey and the rats couldn't get it. Okay. Walter, stay out of the pasture, buddy. We don't need to feed the horses today. Hey, baby. Put your milk in the cup holder.
I got it.
Good girl.
I'll get you one in just a minute.
He was getting used to the habit of feeding the horses with me because his dad was at a men's retreat, so we were doing it. So now we are getting ready to head to story time.